Hi everyone, I'm Abby.
And I'm Emily.
And we are back with a how-to with SBBlooms, where we recreate trending Pinterest pins with our premium silk wedding flowers for rent. This week we took a request from our audience. We took Kia's request. This is her inspo photo, and she wanted to see it with the Wren Collection. And her budget was
$1,000 to $1,500.
So very nice budget. So that's what we're going to show you today.
Yes, all the products that we use will be in the description, so you can click the links and shop. And we are loving how this turned out. And
it's really simple but impactful and beautiful. And even though she just wanted Wren, like, I don't know, I feel like a lot of these how-tos, we like mix a bunch of stuff, but like just go with one collection. Sometimes it's simple. Like simple and really pretty. And yeah, hope you love how this turned out, Kia. Now let's get into it. Okay, so we are going to start off with our structure. Kia inspo picture, gonna pop up again right here, is a broken asymmetrical arch. You can see one side's bigger than the other. We don't have an arch like that in our studio, so we're using our stands as the structure, and these will be the same height. They won't be asymmetrical like her inspo picture, but Kia, if you have your own arch or borrowing an arch, the garlands will just take the shape of whatever that arch is. You'll get the overall look at the end of this video. If you are interested in our stand structures, we took a tall stand and a short stand and we zip tied them together. If you watch our videos, you know we do this often and it works out really well. That is what we're going to attach the Wren garlands to. You're just going to simply zip tie to the stand or to your structure.
Now that you have one already down, just keep going.
My garland went down the middle so that I have room to put them on the side and on the inside.
Yeah, my second one is going to go like this. And it's going to start from this way.
And we're just going to keep layering here. Start right there.
I'm going to go right here.
We're putting the finishing touches, but we have a guest star, Maria. She is our paid media manager, visiting from San Diego, but she is here at the warehouse this week.
Yep.
Hey everyone!
So, what do you think about our install for Kia?
I love it. I'm like such a sucker for like the soft top. When I got married, I did more of like a deconstructed arch, but this is like basically the same thing.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what she wanted. Deconstructed, asymmetrical.
She sent us a photo.
Arch. Yeah. So that's what we're doing with her for her
Cute.
today. Okay, so as you can see, the bottom of the arch we left empty, but we're going to fill that space in with a grand centerpiece.
We're going to turn these to the side and add it as a little trailing effect.
So we put 2 large centerpieces on the outside of the grand centerpiece. And then, of course, you can, like, spread these out more. But it looks cute. Okay. Alright, and there you have it, an asymmetrical Wren ceremony backdrop for around $1,500. And Kia, we hope you love how this turned out. Just a little bit on how this series works. So every other week we will take either a request from our audience. If you want to fill out a request, it's in the description below, the form. Let us know what collection you're interested in, your budget, area you need help with. Drop an inspo picture because that is the whole point of the series, and we will pick one of those to recreate.
If you like this video and you want to see more, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok so you can have a say in what we do next.
See y'all next week.
Bye.
Bye.